Let us discover how much water we have on Earth. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit us at www.selfquiz.org. Here is some information that you need to know about water on Earth. Water covers about 71% of the Earth's surface. Around 326 million cubic miles of water on the planet. %97 of the Earth's water is found in the oceans, and only 3% of the Earth's water is fresh. For the 3% freshwater, only 0.5% that is accessible or usable freshwater. 2.5% of the Earth's fresh water is unavailable. These are locked up in glaciers, polar ice caps, atmosphere, and soil, highly polluted, or lie too far under the Earth's surface to be extracted. Oceans 97.2%. Ice caps or glaciers 2.0%, groundwater 0.62%. Freshwater lakes 0.009%. Inland seas or salt lakes 0.008%. Atmosphere 0.001%. Rivers 0.0001%. Total of 99.8381%. For more educational videos and tutorials, please do not forget to follow and subscribe. Do not forget to check our educational videos only at www.selfquiz.org.